Good evening once more. So this is a video about something that a lot of marketers don't know about, but the old school ones maybe doing it since the 90s. Well, it's just not talked about. So in the early days, there have been forums, long before there was Quora and things like that. People would just answer questions, pitch products that way, and then another way was something called mailers. So a mailer is a list of similar people like yourself watching this video that are into online business. So they're allowed to send emails to other members. Quite a lot of them are just on it to collect credits, because by collecting credits you can send out emails, but there is percentage that do click on your business and look into and opt in if you have a landing page. In our private program, we have all these tools, email marketing, we do it all for you. So this is membership free, but if you do upgrade, then you can pay for it and you don't have to read credits. So if you're a free member, to send out mails, you can only do it every so often. So for me, sent one yesterday, so you need to wait another 2 days, 3 hours, 26 minutes, 5 seconds. And currently, as a free member, you can send it out every 4 days. So it must have been 2 days ago. Done it, in fact. So free member, you can do that. You send the mail by clicking here. Oh, in fact, I've already done that. And you've got a limit. You can only send 2,000 credits per mailing. So you put in your landing, your website, your subject, and then if you've got the 2,000 credits, put that in, and then just send out when you're able to. It's another 2 days. Plus, I've got no credits. So how do you get credits? Usually, that's recording things on the road. So I'll need to click on something. So go to Gmail, because I've got that as the email to send it to. B Weibo, I think the name is. I think it's on this one. Type it here. So this is how you get credits. They send you emails. Let's get rid of that. And you scroll down to the bit that says earn credits. Some of it just does it automatically. This one's quite good. Some of you have to click on an icon or an image, a matching image, but I think this one you don't have to do that. Yes, it's just that's that. Go back over to this page. That one I was on. Send mail, which we all still can't send, but there you can see you have 30 credits. So once I've tried to get 2,000, which only is reading maybe so many emails. So if you did want to upgrade, so much stuff opened. It's just run a bit slow. Maybe I'll come back to that later. So what else is it going to show you here? My sort of system where I've got all the links and things. So if we go to funnels, I've actually spelled it wrong, so go to stats in fact. So yeah, I've had 194 clicks and two opt-ins on previous mails that I've sent out. I mean, it's not the same as a solo ad, of course. You're not going always get as many opt-ins, but as a free service, and you're able to send emails out every 4 days. It's not just one mailer I have, there's about 15 that I've got, so I'm going to do a lot of videos on the good ones. So basically over a week you can have 10 to 15 opt-ins for not actually paying for it, and the type of business that we're in is multiple streams of income. The company does the email marketing, but I send out emails as well, which you can learn. So it's really, in a sense, it's a free money eventually, and they're on the list, and through time getting the emails, open them, click them, they do buy. It's all about giving value, and quite a lot of these mailers do offer other services that you can pay for, special ads, login ads, which is basically when someone logs into the site and they do get a lot of visitors, you can pay for that service. Let's see if I can say, and then it's not. Let's get into it today, but and then they offer prizes. But you can go on it yourself. I'll leave the link in description for. Well, here we've got it here, just really slow. Silver package, email every 4 days. How many emails you can send a month? So it's giving you different like paid options, so you don't actually have to just read the credits all the time. So there's different mailers. There's different packages that they offer, and then their actual solo ads are available as well, and they've got recommended programs, which is just all about different traffic methods, just not sticking to the one, but just doing all different ones. So I'll leave here is what they're offering, so you can read about that as well. So I'll read the link for Webull if you want to check that out, and also a private partner program, which will be at the end of the description. So we hope to see you on Insight. Bye bye for now.